the first to welcome you to Sarasota with a local current time is 12:56 p.m. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pockets and areas around you, ensuring that all your belongings like your cell phones, tablets, and chargers. To help keep our cabin clean, we ask that you please take any remaining items with you and place them in a trash bin once you exit the aircraft. When you open the overhead bins, be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may not use your cell phones. On behalf of American Airlines, our Runway partners, I'd like to thank you for flying with us today, and we hope to see you again soon.